In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a program or app to Windows 11 Startup. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now to do that, just go ahead to the taskbar to any place that's empty. Then right-click on it, click on Task Manager, and then you should be redirected to the Task Manager window. Now to the left side, click on Startup Apps. After you do that, you can go ahead select the app you want. You can disable it or enable it. You can just go ahead, click on it, and then right-click. You can see here the option to disable. And if you want to enable, just click on it. You can find the enable option right here. Then click on it, or you can just go ahead, right-click, and enable can be available for you. As you can see here, or you can also just right-click and enable will be available. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.